All right, guys, welcome back to You Special. So we are discussing the union budget today and just the initial reactions, initial, appreciations and criticisms. So yes, I think the next thing we should discuss about is the PDS system. I think there's a lot to discuss there. Yeah, go ahead.
At this particular point of time, this public distribution system has been modernized, and this is a very good appreciation for this common man. When it is a common man lane prospect, he views this. This is a very good boon for this particular common people. Why it is that we find that day to day the food price is go on increasing. If you go on for this public distribution system, you can get the price at the affordable price. PDS is giving you the
Okay,
food
he's
items at
appreciating
an
the
affordable.
modernization of PDS. All
I would
right.
like to say that modernization of public distribution priority should be reduced because modernization, this PDS system is actually an economic growth barrier, I can say, because it increases the physical deficit of the country, and also providing subsidies to the fertilizers and those things, it will not let the country to
But
develop.
don't you think that it's the public distribution system which actually kind of helps many poor people, to giving them cheap rice, all the cheap commodities? Why do you think it's a barrier to economic development? We actually need to appreciate the PDS.
But when we are going to provide a rice at rupee 1 and whether it is not reaching the public properly.
Okay, that's a separate point altogether. Anyway, yeah.
Yes, sir. As you rightly pointed out, the quality of the rice is not good.
I didn't point that out anyway.
Okay. As you said, that they are providing the products at a cheap rate.
Okay.
But the quality, the product which they are the quality of the product is not in a good condition.
But see, they're providing something. Isn't it better than having nothing? Why? I don't know. Why are you saying that
But
the
there
PDS
are
is wrong?
But there are some people, they are not using it in a proper way. They are buying it in a PDS system and they are reworking it and they are selling in a supermarket. That's what is happening. And one more thing is that WTO, World Trade Organization, is insisting all the countries to avoid this PDS system because it, as she rightly pointed out, it increases our physical deficit.
Fiscal deficit, okay, is increased. Yeah, 1 minute, yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, as she rightly pointed out, it's not correctly going to them. They are not utilizing it correctly. And one more thing is that when they buy it for human, they feed for cattle. I know it particularly. And one more thing is that this PDS system not only affects our physical deficit, but also it's not reaching the public properly.
Okay, fine. Why spend so much money modernizing a system which is not great anyway in the first place? Is what he's
If
saying.
you see that the PDS system is only for the people who are below the poverty line, whereas the middle income level people are struggling a lot because of the PDS system. The government is purchasing a commodity for example of 10 rupees, they are giving in a PDS system for 1 rupee, whereas the rest 9 rupees they are collecting from general public. That is the middle income level people. So in what way it is good for the people?
All right, yeah, I would like to ask you that. Okay, you have a point to make.
Yeah. Today the finance minister had made out that modernized of the distribution system has to be made. I had one question that the modernized system has to be need all the class of people, not only the middle class or upper class like that. Whether it is reaching all the people, and another more point that whether the right product is reaching the right person. That's my 2 questions.
All right. Can you answer those 2? Yeah.
Yeah, I have an answer for your question. Like the PDS system, they could introduce one more scheme for the middle class people, and one answer is that, and the other is that the system which they say that that's not the commodity is not reaching the public properly. The way should be modified and not the entire system should be changed.
Yeah.
At least even if we take for example, if 60% of the people are misusing it, at least 40% will be
Yeah,
happy
see,
with
the point
it.
she's making is question. You're saying PDS is a barrier. Perhaps the barrier lies in the fact that it's not being implemented properly, right? Why are you blaming the entire system for that?
No, sir. As one of my friends said that if the government is going to provide 1 rupee, 1 kg for 1 rupee, the government is going to buy for 10 rupees from some other farmers. And if they are in the loss of rupees 9 for 1 kg of rice, sir, so when it is going to entirely affect the growth of the economy, sir.
Okay, I think she's more bothered about the fiscal deficit which is being caused here. What do you have to say about that? Both of you are supporting the PDS system, yeah.
Even though there is a concern over this particular fiscal deficit in this PDS, look, this PDS is actually for people below poverty line, and then next comes this middle class group of people. First you serve the below the poverty line people, then you go for the middle income,
Okay.
and that's it. When you are satisfying the common man, what else do you need more? You are satisfying them by modernizing a PDS. doesn't mean that if there is even a fiscal deficit, no matter government is taking care of this fiscal deficit, they know how to adjust this particularly. When there is a particular issue that is creating a problem, definitely government will take care of this, and they are taking care of that. That's why modernizing a PDS will be a bigger task for a government, which is appreciable.
All right.
Sir, I would like to say that we should be capitalist by mind and socialist by heart. So that government has done. They are by mind they are thinking that we should be a capitalist nation. We are fastest growing nation, and in 2020 we will the developed country from the developing one. And as far as these peoples are concerned, common people, they are struggling a lot. If we go to the grassroots level, many people are there who are not getting their food properly. They are sleeping hungry.
All right. Okay, we got the point. Yeah, go ahead.
Supporting him, we should remember the Maslow's hierarchy theory. First of all, every man needs food, shelter and housing. When we are able to provide food for at least 40% of the people in the society, the system is obviously running good, and the society is providing some help for them.
Okay, yeah, go ahead.
Previously, he mentioned that the PDS system, if we are modernizing the PDS system, it will the people will be satisfied by that. Whatever the change the government is doing, the people will be satisfied by that? If we are doing this, means they will be telling you can do like this and you can do like this. You can never satisfy people by doing anything. They will be telling something or the other.
All right. Okay. I think we're discussing PDS a bit too much. Anyway, I think we got the point. Now I'm running out of time on the show. I just want closing comments from you guys as to what after having seen the finance minister speak, what do you think about the way
And according to my point of view, according to this, all these budgets were rich getting richer and poor getting poorer, sir. Still becoming more poor.
Okay.
It's not actually rich getting richer and poor getting poorer, because you are going to allocate more than 66,000 crores for rural areas wherein poor people are more located there. And definitely this budget is developing the people from the scratch.
All right. Okay. Yeah.
I need to support this point. I'm not insisting anybody that are more inhibitors who are just tracking the money, anything like that, and the money is not going to reach the correct person.
All right. Okay. At this point, I think we should wrap the show. I'm running out of time. I'm really sorry. But I think I would like to end. I think the initial reaction, something beautifully put by him, is perhaps the initial reaction is that the government wants to be capitalist, mentally, but socialist at heart. Thanks a lot for joining us on the initial reactions for the union budget. Keep watching You Special. If you want your college to be a part of this show, call us on 9941322222 or email us at feedback@ndtv-hindu.com. This is Ramanathan signing off.